Welcome to the IxD series Sauce Plus Sauce Dispenser How to Clean video. Push cleaning on the menu screen. Follow the on-screen instructions for initial cleaning and each scheduled cleaning cycle. Prior to starting the cleaning process, mix 1 packet of K5 sanitizer with water between 75 degrees and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, following the instructions on the packet. Put 2 liters of the cleaning solution into the bin and insert the bin into the unit. Place a container under the dispense point to catch the flush cleaning solution. Start the cleaning process and follow the on-screen prompts. The system will auto-advance between cycles and prompt the user to interact with the screen. There is a pause button available to pause cleaning if needed. Once the cleaning process is started, the system will want to fully run the cycle before advancing. There will be a step to put rinse water in the bin if detergent was used. This step is not needed if standard food-safe sanitizer is used. There is also a step where the system runs dry for a drying stage. When cleaning is complete, your Sauce Plus sauce dispenser is now ready to operate. Any questions? Please contact our customer care team.